Imagine turning your rice fields into a thriving duck farm and reaping the rewards of delicious, sustainable meat. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Welcome to our channel. Today we're uncovering the secrets to raising millions of ducks on rice fields using free-range farming techniques. Not only can this method provide you with high-quality meat, but it also benefits the environment. Let's get started. Free-range duck farming is a fantastic way to raise ducks while taking advantage of the natural environment. In this method, ducks are allowed to roam freely in rice fields, giving them space to explore and thrive. One of the biggest benefits of free-range duck farming is that ducks can engage in their natural behaviors. They love to forage for food, swim in water, and socialize with other ducks. This not only keeps them happy, but also leads to healthier and tastier meat. Ducks are excellent foragers. They will eat weeds, insects, and even leftover rice grains in the fields. This means you won't have to rely entirely on commercial feed, saving you money while still providing them with a nutritious diet. Additionally, ducks help control pests in the rice fields. They naturally eat insects and pests that can harm your crops, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and promoting a healthier farming environment. Water is essential for ducks. They need it for swimming, which keeps their feathers clean and healthy. Make sure to provide ponds or shallow pools where they can play and cool off. This access to water contributes to their overall well-being. Moreover, ducks produce natural fertilizer through their droppings. This can enhance soil fertility, benefiting your rice crops and improving yields. It's a win-win situation for both the ducks and the rice. Overall, free-range duck farming in rice fields creates a sustainable system where ducks contribute to the health of the crops while providing you with delicious meat. This method aligns well with eco-friendly farming practices, making it an excellent choice for modern farmers. When it comes to raising ducks for meat, selecting the right breed is crucial. Different breeds have different characteristics, and some are better suited for meat production than others. Two popular breeds for meat are the Pekin duck and the Muscovy duck. Let's take a closer look at each of these breeds. First, the Pekin duck. This breed is well known for its fast growth and delicious meat. Pekin ducks are typically white and have a friendly, calm temperament. They can reach market weight in just about 7 to 8 weeks, making them a great choice for farmers looking to produce meat quickly. They are also good foragers, helping you save on feed costs. Next, we have the Muscovy duck. Muscovy ducks are unique because they are larger than Pekins and have a different flavor. Their meat is rich and tender, making it a favorite among many chefs and home cooks. Muscovy ducks usually take around 10 to 12 weeks to reach market weight, but they are very hardy and can adapt well to various environments. They are also great at foraging and can help keep your rice fields pest-free. When selecting a breed, consider your farming goals. If you want quick meat production, Pekin ducks might be the best choice. However, if you prefer a richer flavor and don't mind waiting a bit longer for growth, Muscovy ducks could be ideal. Also, think about the climate in your area. Some breeds are more resilient to heat or cold, so it's essential to choose a breed that can thrive in your local environment. Lastly, consider the availability of the breeds. Check local farms, hatcheries, or online resources to find a reliable source for purchasing ducklings. Make sure to choose healthy and strong ducklings to start your farm on the right foot. By selecting the right duck breed, you'll set the foundation for a successful and rewarding free-range duck farming experience. To effectively raise ducks, setting up your rice field is crucial. Ducks need a safe and comfortable environment to thrive. Start by ensuring there are plenty of water sources available. Ducks love water and need it for swimming, drinking, and keeping their feathers clean. Create ponds or shallow pools in your rice field where they can splash around. Consider the layout of your rice field. Ducks need space to roam and forage. Ensure there are open areas where they can search for food and move freely. Provide adequate shelter for your ducks. They need a safe place to rest and escape from harsh weather conditions. Build simple shelters using materials like wood or straw. Ensure the shelters are spacious enough for all your ducks and place them in shaded areas to protect them from the sun. Plan for fencing to keep your ducks safe from predators. Surround your rice field with a fence to prevent animals like foxes or birds of prey from harming them. The fence doesn't have to be too high, but it should be sturdy enough to keep your ducks secure. Lastly, Maintain cleanliness in the rice field. Regularly remove any debris or waste that could attract pests. Keeping the area clean will help promote a healthy environment for your ducks and rice crops. Feeding your ducks properly is vital for their growth and overall health. Ducks have specific nutritional needs that must be met to ensure they develop strong and healthy bodies. While ducks will forage for insects, weeds, and leftover rice grains in the fields, it's essential to provide them with a balanced diet. Start with high-quality commercial duck feed, which contains all the necessary nutrients. This feed should be high in protein, especially during their growing stages. In addition to commercial feed, you can supplement their diet with grains like corn and wheat, which provide extra energy and are usually well received by ducks. Kitchen scraps, such as leftover vegetables and fruits, can also add variety to their diet. Protein is crucial for duck growth. Offer them insects like mealworms or earthworms, which they love to chase and eat. This boosts their protein intake and keeps them active and engaged. Make sure to provide fresh water at all times. Ducks need water not just for drinking, but also for washing down their food. Change the water daily to keep it clean and ensure your ducks stay hydrated. As the ducks grow, monitor their weight and adjust their feed accordingly. If you notice that some ducks are growing faster than others, you may need to increase their feed to ensure they all develop properly. By providing a balanced and nutritious diet, you'll raise healthy ducks ready for the market. Keeping your ducks healthy is one of the most important aspects of raising them. Regular health checks and good hygiene practices are essential for preventing diseases and ensuring a successful farm. Start by observing your ducks daily. Look for any signs of illness, such as lethargy, changes in appetite, or unusual behavior. Early detection of health issues can make a big difference in treatment outcomes. Make sure your ducks have access to clean water and a clean environment. Change their water frequently to prevent bacteria growth. The area where they live should be free of waste and debris. Regularly clean the shelters and remove any droppings to maintain hygiene. Consider vaccinating your ducks against common diseases. Consult with a veterinarian about the necessary vaccinations and healthcare practices for your specific breed. Regular checkups can help keep your flock healthy. Manage the flock size according to the size of your rice field. Overcrowding can lead to stress and health problems, so ensure there's enough space for all ducks to roam freely. In addition to physical health, pay attention to their mental well-being. Ducks are social animals and thrive in groups. Ensure they are kept with their flock to avoid loneliness and stress. By focusing on both health and hygiene, you can create a thriving environment for your ducks. When the time comes to harvest your ducks, it's essential to do it in a humane and efficient manner. Harvesting should be done when the ducks reach the right market weight, typically ranging between 6 to 8 weeks for Pekin ducks and 10 to 12 weeks for Muscovy ducks. Begin by preparing your processing area. Ensure it is clean and organized with all necessary tools on hand, including knives, plucking machines, and storage containers. A clean environment is crucial to maintaining the quality of the meat. Once the ducks are harvested, process them quickly to preserve freshness. After processing, refrigerate or freeze the meat promptly. Proper storage is key to ensuring that your ducks remain safe and tasty. Now that you have your product ready, think about marketing. Highlight the benefits of your free-range ducks. Many consumers seek high-quality, sustainable meat options. Share your story about how the ducks are raised in a natural and eco-friendly environment. You can sell your ducks directly at local farmers markets, to restaurants, or through online platforms. Building relationships with local chefs can be beneficial, as they often seek high-quality, locally sourced ingredients. Use social media to promote your duck meat. Share photos and stories of your farming journey, showcasing the health of your ducks and the beautiful rice fields. Engaging with your audience can create interest and drive sales. By focusing on humane harvesting and effective marketing, you can successfully bring your ducks to market and reach more customers. Raising ducks in rice fields is not just a traditional method. It's an innovative technique that combines aquaculture and agriculture. This approach utilizes the natural behaviors of ducks to create a sustainable farming system. By integrating duck farming with rice production, you are enhancing biodiversity and promoting a balanced ecosystem. Ducks not only provide meat, but also contribute to pest control and soil fertility, In conclusion, raising ducks on rice fields using free-range farming techniques is a rewarding and sustainable approach. By providing a natural environment, selecting the right breed, and focusing on health and hygiene, you can produce high-quality meat while benefiting the ecosystem. Embrace this innovative technique and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Happy farming! If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on sustainable farming practices. Let us know in the comments about your experiences with raising ducks or any questions you might have. Until next time, happy farming